This video will guide you through the process of accessing savings and staking opportunities on Binance. We are on the Binance home screen. Click on the Finance tab and then select Binance Earn. This will take you through to a list of Binance's current staking and savings options. We are currently on the guaranteed earnings section. This is comprised of lower risk, lower interest investment options. Clicking on the High Yield tab takes you through to high risk, high reward investments. We are back in the guaranteed earnings section. You will see that there are several types of investment options which are offering a range of interest rates, shown in APY. This stands for annual percentage yield. If you click on the interest rates tab, you can view them in order of lowest to highest rate, and vice versa. When you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see each of the earning options explained, together with links to further investments in each category. To see these opportunities, click on View More. We will view more of the locked staking opportunities. Notice that the locked staking opportunities offer different lengths of staking, ranging from 15 days to 90 days. You will need to click on each time period in order to see which staking period offers the best returns.